Hi YouTube, I'm going to be doing another microneedling session with the banisher. This is the newest one where the top separates from the bottom, and I'm going to get started. I just took a shower. My hair is still wet from the shower, but I didn't wash my hair today, and my face is completely dry, and I'm going to get started by using this and water. I forgot. Water in a spray bottle. I'm gonna get started. I just washed it once more with rubbing alcohol. So that's that. I sprayed my face with water. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Don't think you need as much as I put on, but that's okay. So as I'm gonna do my microneedling session, I'm gonna keep spraying water because it gets dry and it starts to hurt a little bit more. I like to focus around my mouth because that's where I'm experiencing the most amount of hyperpigmentation, and on my cheeks. I do like a very light depth of needling on my temples, but I find it too painful on my forehead. So again, just focusing right where a little bit of hyperpigmentation there, so I'm just gonna do a little bit. And that is really it. I think that's as much as I can handle. Probably do a little bit more on my smile lines and where I have acne marks, which is literally right here on my cheeks. That is really it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this, and I have plenty of this on my face. I'm gonna go in with the banisher. That's their vitamin C. I'm gonna take very little, so I'm just taking that much. And a lot of it is going to be just between my palms, so, oh, that stings a bit. Ooh. Now I'm gonna apply CeraVe Baby Moisturizer. This has vitamin B3 for niacinamide. I think I need to do my needling a little bit more regularly than just once a week, but because I'm using Tret, I don't want to do it often, even though it's at a low depth. So that's all for my skincare routine. If the redness is like really bothering me, I'm gonna put some ice, just like a cold pack, and that deals with a lot of the symptoms of post microneedling session. That's all for my nighttime skincare routine for today when I do needling. I'll see you next time. Take care.